when you join us, you're going to work hard, you're going to have fun, and you'll meet new friends. What could be better? Hi, I'm Frank Nemhauser. I'm the music director of Berkshire Choral International, and I'm really excited to be talking about our workshop at the Tanglewood Learning Institute. The facility is wonderful. The rehearsal spaces are terrific. The setting is so beautiful. And then, of course, being in Ozawa Hall for the concert is just very, very special. And acoustically, you'll love singing there. All of the incredible musicians that have performed there. People who join us at the workshop will be part of the legacy. Oh, I'm performing on the grounds where Bernstein performed and Kusevitsky performed. We'll be working on strengthening your vocal production, improve your vocal skills, and to examine how composers set particular texts. For example, we're doing a text O Nata Lux of Thomas Tallis and Morten Lauridsen. I love Thomas Tallis, Renaissance composer, and I think Morten Lauridsen, his use of harmony, what we call cross-relation, and counterpoint among the voices, it's really beautiful the way he sets text in particular. And one of the pieces we'll be working on is a setting of Ave Maria by Franz Biebl, which was made famous by Chanticleer. And to sing that piece in Ozawa Hall, I think everybody's going to really have a great time.